Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. This is the inspector's summary video. 866-649-0333. This is pre-existing non-conforming. You need an EPA renovator's license for this particular structure. It's pre-1978 and therefore it most definitely has lead. There will be no welding permitted, and this must be structurally sound and painted. This is a pass-fail video, and this is a pre-load test evaluation. So we're over here at 3707 JFK Boulevard in Jersey City, and we have a 3-story fire escape. The first part is I'm on the top, on the 3rd floor, and we're going to start out with the platform. The platform, it consists of 2x2 angle. It's a 3x3 platform, 3 foot by 3 foot, and 2 inch by 2 inch angle. And you can just see here the configuration. What you have is 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch angle on top. The balustrades are welded to that, and then it's welded on the bottom. And you also have this ladder. This ladder goes up to the roof. Let's go kind of slow on this. And there's a gooseneck, and up on the roof it goes, and you have this bracket. We can't really tell because there's siding, so we don't know how well that's braced because of the siding. That would need further investigation. One thing for sure though is this entire platform is it is starting to pull away from the building, and I suspect it's because the brackets are too small. Okay, we're going to go down here. There's 14 treads, and you can see the crookedness in this rail, and there's a slight crookedness to the stringer also. So there's some deflection going on there, and we definitely have some issues. The other problem we got here is that we got rust and rust jacking that's been painted over. All the slats are starting to lift. You can see over here where it's lifting. And we got 1 inch slats that go across for the tread. They're riveted into the clip, and the clip is bolted. It's all old hardware. So we're just going to, everything is the same on the treads. We're just going to quickly go down. The issues are all the same. You've got riveted connections. You've got this whole stringer that's shifted, and it's evident from above. I hope the video shows that. And then what you got here is this comes down into a slight catwalk, and you can see here the catwalk's a little spongy. It's 1.5 inch slats, and then you got supports every so often, and they go onto the roof. And then you walk along here, and you go down this ladder here. So there's a ladder. It's about 5 rungs. We're up about 5 feet here. And I think this is open so that the apartment next door has a means of egress over here. This line here divides the 2 properties. You can see that siding line. But I think it also acts as egress. So this remains open. We should have a little closure here and perhaps a slight rail here. This is only 2 feet to keep people from falling. And then I'm going to come down. So I'm going to shut. Okay, we're back. I'm just going to zoom up. You can see how small those brackets are. They're undersized, and there's the weight of the ladder. And this is pretty long. It's 14 steps. There probably should be some intermediate support. And then this is the ladder itself. That concludes the inspector's video.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.